I did it again. Hi there, lovelies, and welcome back to my channel. We have another little style try on for you today. It is from Nuuly subscription. But first, before we get into any of the clothing and the looks and what Nuuly may be, if you're new here, hello there, I am Laura, and I'm so glad that you gave my video a click. I love girly content. If that seems to be up your alley, whether it's style, try-on hauls, whether it's just like vlogs and traveling here and there, you probably want to click the subscribe button to make sure that you see more girly fun content from me. Let's get into what exactly is Nuuly. This video is not sponsored. I just want to share with you because I just recently discovered Nuuly myself, and I feel like it is an amazing monthly subscription. I believe it's an $88 per month subscription. They have like higher end designer things, Selkie, Love Shack Fancy, For Love and Lemons, and so many more. I can get them on a monthly basis. I get to rent 6 different pieces and they send them to me all for $88. And y'all, sometimes they come brand new, brand spanking new with the tags attached. This is my 2nd month of doing this, and I'm gonna share with you what I got inside. This top actually is one of my new monthly finds, and I think she's so gorgeous. It gives me all of the like Cinderella vibes, and I just think she is so, so cute. I love the back detailing, the princessy shoulders, and then the bows. Oh my god, the bows. I love it. You have like this plunging scoop neck, and then you have this offset diagonal little scalloped baby doll look. I got this in a size medium, which is true to size. She fits like perfectly. Oh my god, oh my god. I have another Selkie item. I feel like this cute little cropped tank blouse is just adorable. And you know how I told you with the tags on? Tags on. She's brand spanking new. I absolutely am loving this print. You have the ruffle on the shoulders there. And also, how could I forget this adorable little bow back? My puppies don't know if they went in or if they went out, in or out, in or out. Ended up getting it in a medium. I was a little bit nervous. I almost upped a size, but I ended up doing true to size just because I knew this was gonna be like flowy and stick out. I didn't want it to be crazy like short though. Shoulders do feel a little bit loose though, where they kind of want to like fall off. This adorable zip up hoodie. It's a little off as far as in the proportions, but I am so freaking here for it. I ended up, because I kept reading the reviews and it kept saying like the arms are huge, but the rest of it like was fitted. So I sized up. I got an extra large in this, and I love how it looks. Nice, loose, and baggy throughout the bodice, but then she has like this balloon princessy. It's probably more of like a balloon shape arm print. Oh my gosh, look at that print. I just love it so freaking much. So French and cute and floral. It has a massive hood. She's nice and big. This dress, I like it way better on me than I expected to. I'm gonna butcher the name. I think it's Hamant and Nandita is the designer. Look at this beautiful print. It's hard to see because it's in the elastic like stretch ruching here. If you're unaware and you don't follow me on Instagram, then you might not know I'm dealing with like an ankle foot injury. So yes, I have a very stylish ankle brace on right now. I'm sorry that's like not really matching the look, nor are my socks, but who cares? I love that she's fitted all the way throughout the bodice. It's like a floral little paisley. This one is actually from my first month's, you know how I said you could buy the dresses? I fell in love with this one and I had to have it. Look at this stunning, huge bow. I like big bows and I cannot lie, they are so flipping cute. The tulle, she's just so cute. It's like the perfect little teacup, cupcake, baby doll, whatever you want to call her. I just love it, and I think she is adorable. I did get this in a size 6. I would say it runs true to size. I believe the brand is Hutch. Another Selkie. I got a lot of Selkie items in this rental. I might have a discount code, so stay tuned to the end. This is one of the Valentine's Day collection dresses, and you can see why. She has all the little smoochies all over her. Poof, little princess sleeves up here. You have the elastic trim around the shoulder and the bicep. You have then the plunging little sweetheart neckline with then like the ruching across the girls. You have a little bow here, sorry my mic might be in the way. I got this dress in a size small. Usually I am a dress size 4-6, usually 6, or a medium. Look at the measurements. Selkie specifically has changed how her measurements run. So I fell into a size small. Also, this little number. Y'all, I live in Florida. It barely gets cold. This pattern I think is specific to free people. It's the marshmallow puffer. Makes sense. The bows. Bows there at the elbows. Oh my God. Got this in a size medium. If you like this little try on haul of my monthly subscription, please give the video a thumbs up. It's always so greatly appreciated. If you haven't and you're still here, I don't know what you're waiting for. You might as well click the subscribe button. Make sure, don't forget, make sure to click the bell that's next to it because that's gonna notify you every single time I upload a video. Until next time, stay lovely, lovelies.